Okay, here's a treat for some of you guys. This is a late 40s Atlantic, I think. It has metal weight in front, but and it has the molding for smoke, but it's not drilled out. This is a rivet, so that's drilled out, but then there's a rivet in it. So, and it had the smoke boss, but it did not have a smoke gear. So we have designed a smoke gear. This one is 3D printed, and it has 4 little pins on it that we're going to use to get our 4 puffs per rev. And I took the armature apart, ground it out, and put 4 permanent magnets in after I removed the coil windings, the fields, not the armature. I took the fields off, ground it out, put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 super magnets, and I have it now wired to a DC power supply, no field wiring. You change direction by changing the polarity of the brushes. This is the old style with the brushes with the slots. This is probably one of the oldest chassis and engines that I have, and I like it. You know, it's a nice good one. But I'm going to turn on my power supply after I turn on my main power, and as you can see at low speed we got some motion, but I can stop it. You know, if you had a load of any kind, it would not move. Okay, but then if you increase power, of course, you start to get. Oh, and this is the standard armature, and it's a non-pull-more armature. All I did was clean it, flattened the plate, cleaned it, spaced it properly with bushings, and lubed it and put it back in. Put some gear on some stuff. 7 volts. At 7 volts, it's hard to stop. I think it'll pull, okay? There's 10 volts. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You ever heard of Formula One car? That's 30 volts. 30 volts DC. AC Gilbert knew how to make engines, motors. That's at 20 volts. I don't think we can stop it. I can hardly, no, it's wearing out the skin of my thumb. Okay, I think it'll pull. I think it'll pull nice. I think those are updated wheels. They're not the old wheels, they're newer, and I think they have rubber tread. Anyway, this is going to be, oh, I love that. It reminds me of my 1964 Corvette when I was going past the high school. Want to race? Okay, I think this will be my mule. I'm going to grind that rivet out. I'm going to devise an adapter for smoke so that if anyone else has this engine, we'll have smoke, we'll have the chuff, we'll have the DC conversion, and I think this will be a wonderful test case for my new smoke PC board, Smart Smoke. Pretty exciting. Okay, I'm going to shoot this out. I know it's a tiny one, but I just wanted you to see where we're at and what we're doing and where we're going. We are going. And we still have all of our other stuff over here that's going to be coming together shortly. And our bigger display for the, it's going to get all replaced, okay? This display is the royal blue. That's going to get put together. I got DC cans for that, but this is a DC conversion. I wanted to use a DC conversion with this particular engine because I think it deserves it. It's nice. Okay, back later. I'll post this on YouTube. You guys check it out. Give me some comments. Subscribe. Tell me you like it or not and what you want to see next. We're working. Andy and I are working 7 days a week on stuff. Okay, later.